Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to film a very quick and easy video on the battery location and how to change the battery on a Ferrari 355. There's my car there. It needs new battery. It's typical this time of year. The batteries tend to die on a few of my Ferraris, and that one won't take a charge and it's time to replace it. Typical Ferrari fashion, they place it in a position on the car that is difficult to get to. Okay, nothing's easy on a Ferrari. So let's spin the camera and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so this is my 355 in question. Like I say, in typical Ferrari fashion, the battery is located in this front wheel arch. Okay, so first things, you need to go into the front compartment, unscrew your little tabs here and here, remove the access panel, turn your isolator switch off, jack up the car, jack up a 355. You really need quite a low profile jack. That then goes into the jacking point, or sits on the jacking point, which is located under here, just under the sill there. You can see the markings. Remove the wheel. I'm not going to go through removing a wheel, very simple. 5 studs, remove that. Make sure the car's safe and secure. Then you will need to remove the access panel that sits here. This is the access panel. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws in there. It's just a crosshead screw, Phillips. You then need to remove the 10mm little bracket here that secures the battery into place. That then enables you to slide the battery out slightly, which gives you better access to the terminals up here. You can then unscrew the 2 terminals, remove those, slide your new battery in. The front of the battery has got this lip as well. It needs to kind of sit in the lipped area of this battery tray so it's nice and secure, doesn't rock. Fit your terminals, tighten those up, make sure they're tight, and then put this clamp back in place. Refit the 5 bolts in this panel, wheel on, turn your isolator switch back on, and you're done. Hope that helps. Always a problem with 355s trying to figure out where they put the battery.